What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Home of Profit. I'm really excited for yet another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a minimum of 1,500 naira daily, easily, guys. And you can also accumulate between 45,000 and 50,000 naira every single month, doing absolutely almost nothing, guys. You're not doing so much. You're doing the same thing probably you've been doing every single day. And so if you're really interested in doing this, stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you in practical terms how to get this done. All right, so I'll catch you guys. Welcome back. So like I said earlier, okay, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money from home with just the simple steps, okay? And of course I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to be able to access this website and get registered. There's something in it for you when you use the link that will be pasted in the description below, guys. And so if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification below. Like this video and share with your friends so you can also bless lives and also impact others. Okay, all right. So without further ado, I want to jump right into the video of today. And so the video we're going to be talking about is my micro jobs. Okay, my micro jobs. Okay, so these actually offers tiny tasks for you to do them, and then you're able to earn an income. All right, so you might actually ask yourself, okay, so how does this work? And what are the things that I need to do? It's very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna jump to the FAQ of the page, and we're gonna look through what it's all about. Okay, so as you can see, micro jobs site is about connecting people who needs something done fast at low cost. Okay, that is the employers, mostly online activities with users who want to help and have a chance to make money, and those are regarded as the workers. You do not need any registration fee. It's completely free, guys. Okay, so the only thing you need is a valid email address and a phone number. Now, you cannot have more than one account. Okay, you cannot have more than one account. If you do have more than one account, you will be banned when noticed. All right, so even if you're going to do that, you're going to make sure you're using a different email, a different phone number, a different profile picture, and all of that. Okay, and you don't want to go through all that stress, but if you can, fine. All right, so now how do you get paid? Okay, what are kind of jobs you do? We're going to talk about this in a give, but I just want to talk about how you get paid. You get paid either by through recharge card or through bank transfers. And now the minimum for recharge card is a withdrawal for recharge card is 100 naira. You can withdraw 100 naira, 200 naira, and get recharge card for that. Within 24 hours, you get paid. All right, but if it's going to be a cash withdrawal, then you have to be able to accumulate your earnings up to 1,000 naira. So in other words, the threshold for cash withdrawal is 1,000 naira. Threshold for uh, recharge card withdrawal, so to say, is 100 naira. Now this is strictly for people in Nigeria. If you're from Ghana, from anywhere else in Africa, I do not know if this will work for you, but these are for the guys in Nigeria. Okay. All right, so now I'm just gonna go straight to the dashboard and walk you through samples of the kind of jobs that are actually there. And for the sake of this tutorial, we at Home of Profit, of course, we do all our checks, we do all our background checks and make sure everything is actually right. All right, so I'm gonna jump into the jobs section, and then we're gonna perform one particular job as an example. Okay, guys. So now you can see this, it says here that there are 10 available jobs for you. All right, I don't know how many jobs might be available for you, but there's always jobs available. So to say, every single day there's jobs available. Now these are the 10 that are available on this particular block. You can see there are other blocks you can navigate to check up other postings, but for now I have 10 jobs available. And so the one I want to go for is this one, Instagram likes only. You can either click right here or click on the view. I'm going to click on the view. all right, and we're gonna just perform a very quick job. All right, so now we're set to go to this Instagram account. One thing you need to do, you need to copy this link, hover on it and copy it yourself and head over to your Instagram page. For example, you can search this user and it pulls up the user and you are able to click on them. Now this is this user, and what's the job requirement? It said you should like first 5 posts. Do not comment. Just like first 5 posts. You can see obedience with exactness matters here. Okay, so the second step is like first 5 posts. So I'm gonna go right there and see the posts, like the first 5, not just any 5. I've liked this one. I'm gonna move to the next one, liked this one, 2, move to the next one, liked this one, 3, move to the next one, like this one, 4, and final, the fifth one. I've liked the fifth one. Okay, guys, now that I've done this, super easy. Do not comment. New and fake accounts not allowed. Your account must have a profile picture. You do not delete, unfollow, or cancel tasks. You have been paid for your account. It says, sorry, do not delete, unfollow, or cancel tasks you have been paid for. Your account will be terminated if you do so, and that is the rule. It's so easy. Now, uh, it says here that the required proof that task was finished is to provide the Instagram username used for this task. And now you do that by saying, simply enough, username. You say home of profits. In my case, you're gonna use your own username. Okay, guys. And now that's the only thing you asked. And then you also asked for the um, proof file of job, finished. So I'm just gonna head over here, and right here I'm gonna screenshot this just like this. I would screenshot this page like that and head over to micro jobs, click this and attach it to the chose file, and that is it, guys. I'll hit the completed this task. So simple. Now it might look like a lot of procedures. um, it is not. Okay, you can do 150 of this a day easily within an hour or two. I tell you guys, you can do this. And let's pull up a calculator for now and calculate this. So, the minimum average amount you get per task is usually $10. So I'm gonna use, 10 naira. Excuse me. So I'm gonna use 10 naira for this calculation, guys. So I say 10 naira multiplied by 150, for example, and then you make 1.5. All right, so now you multiply this by 30, and you're earning about 45,000 naira every single month, guys. This is amazing. I tell you, this is really, really amazing. A lot of people have been looking for this wonderful opportunity to work from the comfort of their homes. You spend a lot of time on social media, you spend a lot of time on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all of these other social media platforms, but nobody pays you for liking, for sharing, and it's just like that. Now click on the link below and get started today, guys. There's something in it for you when you use the home of profits link. Trust me, there's always something in it for you. I'm not going to talk about that now. Just use the link below in the description and leave a like button on this video if you like this button. If you like this video, of course you have to like the button to like it. All right, so hit the notification bell also so that you get updated each time we release a new video content to help you learn other areas and ways you can earn and make money from the comfort of your home, guys. Okay, so this is strictly for Nigerians. Again, I said it before. Trust me, this system works, and they also even have the affiliate link. Okay, now you can refer your friends and even earn from them forever. Okay, so it says it you even earn up to the third generation. Okay, so the first generation you earn 10% of their earnings, second generation 5%, third generation 5% of their earnings. You can easily click your link by clicking here, copy text, and it tells you yes, you copy the text. It's easy to work around even on your mobile phone. It's very responsive, easy to work with, and I tell you guys, this is the bomb. Okay, so I mean, you get to like friends' posts and share their posts. Nobody pays you for that. If you're able to do this, up to 200, 150, 200 every single day, guys, you're getting value for what you're doing. And right on this channel, we keep giving you values, guys. Subscribe on this channel so you can always get more content like this, and you can get to help yourself earn an income and also help a friend earn an income. All right, so until next video, I'll catch you guys. Love your family. I'll see you later. Thank you and peace.